Atomic Habits: Summary and Practical Guidance for Real-Life Success. James Clear's Atomic Habits is a powerful book that explains how small, consistent changes can lead to remarkable results over time. The main idea is simple but profound. Tiny habits, when repeated daily, compound into significant life transformations. Just as atoms are the building blocks of matter, habits are the building blocks of success. By understanding how habits work and learning to design them effectively, anyone can change their behavior and achieve meaningful goals. This article will first summarize the key concepts of the book and then provide practical and encouraging advice on how to use its ideas in real life. Part 1. Summary of Key Ideas. 1. The Power of Atomic Habits. Clear begins by showing why small habits matter. Big successes do not happen overnight. Instead, they are the result of tiny, almost invisible improvements repeated over time. He calls this the 1% rule. If you get 1% better each day, you will be dramatically better in a year. Similarly, bad habits repeated daily lead to negative results. The key lesson is that small changes, when done consistently, shape your identity and future. 2. The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. Clear introduces a simple but powerful framework to build good habits and break bad ones. It is called the 4 Laws of Behavior Change, or make it obvious. If you want to build a good habit, make the cues clear and visible. For example, put your running shoes near the door to remind you to exercise. O. Make it attractive. Link habits to things you enjoy. For example, only watch your favorite show while exercising on a stationary bike. O. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Start small. If you want to read more, start by reading just 1 page a day. O. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself or track progress so that habits feel rewarding. For instance, mark an X on your calendar each day. You complete the habit to see your streak grow. For breaking bad habits, invert the laws. Make the cues invisible. Make the habit unattractive. Make it difficult, and make it unsatisfying. 3. Identity-based habits. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is the concept of identity-based habits. Instead of focusing on goals, I want to lose 10 pounds, focus on the person you want to become. I am a healthy person. Each small habit then becomes a vote for the type of identity you want to build. For example, going for a short walk may seem small, but it is a vote for I am an active person. Over time, your habits shape your identity, and your identity reinforces your habits. 4. The Plateau of Latent Potential. Many people quit when they do not see quick results. Clear explains that habits often work below the surface. You may not notice changes right away because results take time to accumulate. This period is called the Plateau of Latent Potential. The breakthrough often comes after weeks or months of consistent effort when the compounding effects finally become visible. 5. Environment design. Clear emphasizes the importance of designing your surroundings to make good habits easier and bad habits harder. For example, if you want to eat healthier, keep fruit on the counter and hide junk food in the cupboard. Environment often shapes behavior more than willpower alone. 6. The role of systems over goals. Goals are useful for direction, but systems are what actually drive progress. A system is the collection of daily habits that lead to success. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, your system might be writing 300 words every day at 7 a.m. Goals set the target, systems build the momentum. Part 2. How to apply these ideas in real life. Now that we have summarized the key concepts, let's look at practical steps and encouraging advice on how to use atomic habits in everyday life. 1. Start small and stay consistent. Do not wait for the perfect plan or the right moment. Start small, so small that it feels almost too easy. Want to exercise? Begin with 2 minutes a day. Want to read? Start with 1 page a day. The power is not in the size of the habit, but in the consistency. As Clear writes, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. The system is built on small, repeatable actions. 2. Focus on identity, not just outcomes. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? If you want to be a fit person, each workout is a vote for that identity. If you want to be a writer, each paragraph you write is a vote. Encourage yourself by saying, I am the type of person who keeps promises to myself. I am the type of person who lives a healthy life. This approach builds self-confidence because every action proves your new identity to yourself. 3. Use the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Design visual cues. Example, put a water bottle on your desk to remind you to drink water. And make it attractive. Pair habits with something you enjoy. Example, listen to your favorite music only when cleaning your room. A. Make it easy. Remove barriers. Example, prepare gym clothes the night before so it is easy to start exercising in the morning. And make it satisfying. Celebrate small wins. Example, check off habits in a habit tracking app or on paper to feel a sense of accomplishment. For breaking bad habits, reverse these steps. For example, if you want to spend less time on your phone, keep it in another room while working. 4. Design your environment. Your environment often shapes behavior more than motivation does. If you want to practice piano, keep it in the living room instead of the basement. If you want to eat healthier, keep fruits and vegetables visible and snacks hidden. A supportive environment makes good habits natural and bad habits inconvenient. 5. Be patient and embrace the plateau. Results take time. Just like ice melting at 32 degrees after being solid at 31 degrees, habits often show no visible change until a tipping point arrives. Do not get discouraged during the plateau of latent potential. Remind yourself that every action is building momentum, even when results are not yet visible. Trust the process. 6. Track your progress and stay accountable. Use a simple notebook, app, or calendar to track habits. Seeing a streak of successful days is motivating. If you miss one day, do not miss 2 in a row. As Clear says, never miss twice. You can also find a habit partner, someone who shares your goals. Reporting progress to a friend makes you more likely to stick to habits. 7. Focus on systems, not just goals. Instead of obsessing over the end result, fall in love with the process. For example, goal, lose 10 pounds. System, cook healthy meals 5 days a week and walk 20 minutes daily. Goals give direction, but systems create progress. 8. Celebrate the journey. Remember, habits are not about perfection, but about becoming a better version of yourself. Each small step matters. Encourage yourself along the way. Celebrate progress, even if it is tiny. Progress equals happiness. Example, putting it all together. Let's take a concrete example. You want to build a habit of writing regularly, for example, journaling or writing a blog. 1. Choose identity. I'm a writer. 2. Pick small habit. Write 1 sentence per day, 2-minute rule. 3. Make cue obvious. Place notebook or app open on your desk. Set phone reminder at a certain time each day. 4. Make attractive. Maybe write in a favorite spot with a nice pen or pleasant environment, or allow a treat after writing. 5. Make easy. One sentence is very easy. You won't say, too busy. 6. Make satisfying. Use a journal, mark day off in calendar, feel proud you showed up. 7. Track it. Use paper tracker or app. See continuous streak. 8. If miss one day, don't let it break your chain. Try again next day. Final thoughts. Small habits, big results. Atomic Habits teaches us that small changes, when done consistently, create remarkable results. By focusing on identity-based habits, using the 4 laws of behavior change, designing supportive environments, and embracing systems over goals, anyone can transform their life step by step. Do not underestimate the power of tiny habits. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. The compound effect of your efforts will surprise you over time. Remember, you have the power to design your habits and therefore design your life. Every small action is a vote for the person you want to become. Start today. The end. If you'd like to see more reviews of best-selling books, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.